Do you want to become a certified management accountant but don't know how? Do you want to feed your curiosity? You've come to the right place. Today, I'll be teaching you what you need to do to become a certified management accountant. Let's begin. To become an eligible CMA candidate, here are the things you should know. You need to be an active member in IMA, pay the CMA entrance fee, satisfy the education qualification, satisfy the experience qualification, pass the two-part examination, and after you completed the above criteria, you need to comply with the IMA Statement of Ethical Professional Practice in your daily life. So now, I'll give you a heads up on what you will be expecting when you decided to take this journey. How to become a member in IMA. Step 1. Go to www.imanet.org. Step 2. Click Become a Member found below the website. And Step 3. Choose the membership that suits you. To become a certified management accountant, candidates must satisfy one of the following education requirements. Bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university. A partial listing of accredited international and U.S. institutions is available at the given link. If you cannot locate your college or university on the accredited listing, please contact IMA at imanet.org. Next is professional certifications. A listing of approved certifications can be found in www.imanet.org. The good news on this is that you can be a graduate from a different course, not necessarily an accounting graduate, to take this exam. If you feel taking a different career path from what you have now, you might consider taking this exam. Now, after satisfying either of the mentioned education requirements, you need to submit verification of education to ICMA within 7 years of completing the CMA examination. Next is work experience qualification. You must complete 2 continuous years of professional experience. Teaching is qualified when full-time and at least 60% of course taught is accounting and finance above the principal's level. And third, continuous part-time positions of 20 hours per week, meeting the definition of qualified experience, will count toward this requirement at a rate of 1 year of experience for every 2 years of part-time employment. To qualify, your work must include preparation of financial statements, financial planning and analysis, monthly, quarterly, and year-end close, auditing, external or internal, budget preparation and reporting, manage general ledger and balance sheets, forecasting, company investment decision-making, costing analysis, risk evaluation, management information systems analysis, management accounting and auditing in government, finance, or industry, and auditing in public accounting. About CMA examination. CMA is a 2-part exam, where Part 1 is about financial planning, performance, and analytics. Part 2 is about strategic financial management. You have a total of 4 hours to complete each part, which consists of 100 multiple-choice questions and 2 easy questions. Please take note that you must answer at least 50% of the multiple-choice questions correctly to be eligible to take the easy section. When you've gone to the easy part, it doesn't guarantee that you pass the test because the easy questions will be graded offline. You will receive an email from IMA to know your test results, and you can check online on when the results will be released depending on when you took the exam. You can choose when to take your examination on either of the test windows, either January to February, May to June, or September to October. You can take the exam separately and with no specific order, but within 3 years after your date of entry in the program. Actual items on the CMA exams are different from test form to test form. The different forms of the exam will vary slightly in difficulty, in that some forms may contain somewhat more difficult questions than others. Don't fret about this. To maintain consistency in standards, CMA exams are expressed as scaled scores ranging from 0 to 500, with the passing score set at 360. Now, if you aim to qualify for an award, you must pass each of the 2 parts on the first attempt and complete both parts within 2 months on either of the given task windows. Scheduling an appointment. Register your exam at any Prometric testing center near you. Go to www.prometric.com/ICMA. Please take note that canceling your appointment does not generate a refund or an automatic approved test window change. In choosing your exam date, it actually depends on the available dates on Prometric, so you have to book in advance if you want to take the exam on a specific date. Instructions are provided by ICMA at the time you receive your authorization letter from IMA through email. Instructions are provided for your exam scheduling. And after you schedule your exam in Prometric, you will be given a confirmation number, and please take note of this number. Finally, when the day has come that you will now be taking your exam, here are the only necessary things you need. Proof of identity. The name on your ID must match exactly with the name on your authorization letter. This will be checked thoroughly by Prometric, so please check that there are no errors in your authorization letter. Next is calculator. Candidates can use calculators restricted to a maximum of 6 functions, or Texas Instruments BA2+, HP10B2+, HP12C, or HP12C Platinum calculators when taking the exam. Candidates will not be allowed to use calculators that do not comply with these restrictions. And lastly, yourself. When you've come this far, don't let fear eat you up. Focus and be confident with yourself. Once you have passed both parts of the exam and obtained the eligibility requirements, you are now a CMA holder. Isn't it amazing? Now you need to apply for your CMA certification and send your application directly to IMA. When you are a CMA holder, you need to complete 30 hours of CPE units per year, including 2 hours of ethics. Comply with the IMA Statement of Ethical Professional Practice, which you will be learning throughout the program. Pay the CMA annual fee, which covers the active membership in IMA and the annual CMA maintenance. And lastly, comply with all applicable laws concerning the offering of accounting services to the general public. So, are you ready to take the leap of faith with yourself to advance to the career you've wanted and be a major contributor to the company you're currently in or planning to be in? I bet you are. Now, set your goal, achieve it, no excuses. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I answered all the questions you had in mind about the CMA program. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I will answer those for you. And if you find this video useful, please share this to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification on for updates and lessons that I will be sharing. For a complete CMA guide, you can download the CMA Handbook from IMA on the link provided in the description box below. Don't get discouraged when you are told that the exam is difficult. You have to believe in yourself and have a good study plan. I am your CMA tutor and I'm here to help you. See you soon!